In this video, I want to tell you how I think a lesson should go. So these are my instructions about how you and another person or people can learn from this course if you meet a stranger or I introduce you to another student. What I think you should do is when you're paired up or put in a group, you should introduce yourself and ask some get-to-know-you questions, all right? Such as, where are you from? What do you do? All right? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your hobbies? Maybe, why are you learning English? Those could be useful questions to get to know somebody. And as you ask those questions, that will lead to more and more conversations, so you'll really get to know each other and become friends. Then, I think you should take a look at all the other questions that I've provided for you. Some of them are serious questions, some of them are silly, some of them are fun, some of them are crazy. And they're about a variety of different topics. Some are about school, some about work, some about family, some about the future, some about the past. So asking questions and having conversations with other people about a variety of topics will help you push your English. You're going to have to push your English in order to get better, because you're going to have to think of different words to use to make yourself understood. Now, you're going to make lots of mistakes, and your partner's going to make lots of mistakes too. That's fine. That is supposed to happen. Because when you make mistakes, when you notice it, or when you notice your partner makes mistakes, that's when you can help each other to improve. You can ask questions such as, pardon me, or what do you mean? Or you can say, I don't understand you. Could you please say that again? Bit by bit, the more you ask questions and the more you try and help each other, you will improve your English conversation skills. Definitely. I've seen it thousands of times. Just be natural. Just be friendly. Just be curious. The more you ask questions of the other person, the better you're going to get and the better they are going to get. So that's how I see these lessons going. The last thing you should do at the end of the lesson is ask the other person if they want to get together again. All right? You've had one lesson. What about tomorrow? What about next week? Maybe you can email each other or get contact information so that you can get back together and practice together some more. That will help you both. All right? So that's the way I think these lessons should go when you're helping each other.